everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to do a bicep curl the right way, at least in my opinion. You know, everybody has their own philosophies on how to train, and this is a philosophy and a movement that I've done and realized that it gives the most benefit to my biceps and without causing any injury to my shoulders. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First off, you don't want to do curls like this. You don't want to bring your shoulders up. All right, we're not doing this. We're not working the bicep primarily when we do that. We're using a lot of our front deltoids. All right, so the way I'm going to show you guys how to do it is, you know, retract those shoulder blades, bring them back, keep your elbows back, and come all the way up, engaging your bicep. Come back down and squeeze. That gives you a lot of tension and real work on the bicep. All right, so you don't need much weight either. A lot of people use a lot of weight because they're doing it incorrectly, and that goes for a lot of different lifts. But for the purposes of this video, you don't need much weight for a bicep curl. So I'll pull my shoulder blades back, curl, keep that chest high, curl. And that's how you do a proper bicep curl, in my opinion.